Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family. Yeah. Family, what y'all think about my cooking? Let everybody know.
My wife gets down in the kitchen. She really be handling her business. Cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family. My wife be cooking and baking for the family.
Mama, this tastes so good. Mmm. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Cooking and baking for the family.
Oh, mama, this food is real good. This food smacking. It's fire. My mama cooking and baking for the family. My mama cooking and baking for the family. Oh, it's real good for the family.
Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It is I, Miss Janita, back again, putting in work. And I got a little small Walmart haul here. Mostly all great value. And how y'all doing today? Hope all is well. You getting what you need. Share in the comments if you're getting some great deals on some groceries at your favorite store, discount store, outlets, big box, wherever. Share that goings on and what's happening for real. Oh, today. Well, family, my back is not as stiff as it was a couple of days ago, and I gotta remind myself still no pushing, pulling, lifting, tugging, jerking, dragging, none of the above and more, because I will get re-injured. Yeah, my hand flipped and y'all seeing all kind of junk up here on this counter by this faucet. But anyway, neither here nor there. I'm a regular person in a regular kitchen with regular growing zones and what's happening. Yep, just a regular person on here trying to make it like everybody else. If you got mountain eyes, trying to get a few coins, and also to enjoy other content creators' videos and being blessed by visitors, passy-bys, looky-loos, stop-bys, nosy eyes, all of us. Thank you so much. Good support. Well, I did get a few things here and there, and staying in the dollar range, trying to stay in them dollar range. Some of the stuff they didn't have, I had to get somewhere else. But I did get me a few more bags of the Great Value Pizza Crust Mix. It is a 6.5 ounce bag. And I did get me a couple of more packs of Great Value Spaghetti Sauce Mix. And what else? I did get a big old 26 ounce box of Great Value Instant Mashed Potatoes. All this going in pantry backups, restocks, stock up, grocery orders. Sure did. Oh, and I did get two little garlic 3.4 ounce containers of garlic powder. Sure did. Oh, I did get 4 of the turkey gravy mix. 4 turkey gravy mixes. So, yeah. Some of these items are bio, what do they call it? Bio foods. They have altered how they grow it, make it, etc. And I'm pretty sure GMOs have been consumed by a whole bunch of us. So can't nobody be acting funny talking about they don't want no bio. You been eating some kind of GMOs, especially if you get fruit with no seeds in it. Tell me about that. I don't like the fruit without the seeds. Give me some lemons with some seeds, watermelon, some seeds, all that. what I'm eating some watermelon without the seeds though. Okay, hold up, y'all. Also, the news, it's a lot of, y'all heard it's a lot of explosions and fires and buildings blowing up, all that kind of goings on and what's happening. Out here in California, they had that chemical thing. I guess it's still going on. 50,000 people had to evacuate. Can you but understand the inconvenience of it all? Especially if you're a woman, you got cramp. That's all I think about. That's all I would think about. Okay, hold up, y'all. I got stuff. I'll be back. Anyway, over the kitchen sink, sharing some Walmart odds and ends, backups, stocking, putting these in my pantry for making meals with, adding flavor, seasonings, and preppers and all that good stuff. And what was I talking about? Oh, I was talking about explosions and fires and stuff going on around in a lot of different states. Did y'all hear about it out here in California? But yeah, the tanker, I think it had a crack in it, and they said it was relieving pressure. But I don't know what's going on now. If the people are still being inconvenienced with not being able to go home. Can you imagine if you don't have money and then the gas is expensive and you trying to roll around or trying to find somewhere to stay? I don't know where they put 50,000 people at. Some of them people might not didn't even leave, and they gonna probably get contaminated for sure. If you know, they say you got to listen to them folks. They know what they talking about. The chemical can do certain things to your body. So if you didn't leave when they said leave, you can't sue them because they warned you. You can't just stay somewhere where you've been ordered to evacuate because of the danger. And if you going to hang around then later on in the year, you talking about you sick from the fume, that's because you didn't leave. And they ain't responsible if you want to sit there like a stoop and don't get up out of there. I don't know. It's hard if you don't have, like I said, if you don't have the funds and so forth. That is very difficult, and especially if you got kids and stuff. Everybody uncomfortable. Maybe the car ain't big enough, or it's, everybody crammed. I know. I slept. It's terrible. Cars are. You just gotta do what you gotta do. I don't know where they put 50,000 people. I know they got where all these places, all these people went. Who knows? But I don't know if they getting FEMA or what. Is this a FEMA incident where people need some cash to provide the services and stuff they need to be comfortable while they're being inconvenient? What y'all think about that? Yeah, definitely this is a FEMA situation, but is FEMA giving up anything? Things done changed. A lot of stuff has changed. I hear tell a bunch of people getting kicked off of the food stamps, and coming in June, more people getting kicked off. Some people are ignoring just like I said about the people, if you ain't responsible and leaving when the people say leave, they warned you. Also, folks, you've been warned and informed that you have to work, volunteer, or do this, that, and the other to keep your food stamps. And apparently they saying a bunch of folks still haven't complied, and they gonna find out the hard way, I guess, come June. You go the county office be crowded like it usually is. Yep, indeed. And people are sharing how they feel about it all on this YouTube videos and stuff, talking about the food stamps ain't the same because they can't get snacks, cookies and pies, cakes, cookies and pies, and soda pop and stuff. But anyway, y'all, I'm about to get off here. Let me quit putting in work for today. Y'all have a good one. Share your grocery hauls, goings-ons, and what's happening. And give me a minute, so I know I got to get around and support the content creators, subscribers that come over here and support my channel. Thank you. Y'all have a good day. Bye now. Everything's coming up baking. I love to bake and cook for my family.